Alright guys, so today we're going to learn how to apply RainX on a window of a car. Believe it or not, there is a proper way, and I'm going to show you guys how. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use isopropyl alcohol. What this is going to do is it's going to clean the window of any debris or any contaminants that are left behind from the previous cleaner that you have used. So now that we have a clean window, we're going to take our RainX and we're going to apply it on a microfiber towel. And we're going to apply even layers across the window. So as we're doing the other side, you're going to see that the side we first applied it to, it's going to haze up, and that's exactly what you want to see. Okay, we just finished applying our first coat. It already hazed up pretty well. So now we're going to take our RainX and we're going to apply a second coat to make sure we get even coverage. All right, so when removing the RainX, you want to make sure you get every single bit of it off, because if you don't, you're going to notice that your windshield is still hazy, and that's going to defeat the purpose of what we're doing. We're trying to make it easier for you to see out your window, not harder. So one last thing, since we already cleaned the windshield, the next thing you want to make sure you do is you want to clean the wipers to remove any contaminants that are stuck. That way, since now you have a clean surface, you don't want to get that stuff back on the windshield. And the way we do that is we just take the same isopropyl alcohol, you just damp your towel, and all you do is you lift up your wiper and you just run it across. So you can see all that dirt that's stuck just on that one wiper. And now we're going to do the same thing for the other side. You have your alcohol, you lift it, and just a nice gentle pass. And again, you see all the dirt that's stuck on your windshield wiper. So I just showed you how to apply RainX, and despite the name, it's not only good for rain, it's also good for ice, frost. So those mornings that you wake up and it's cold, it'll help prevent the ice from building up on your windshield. It's also good for salt, so if you're going up to the mountains, you won't get your windshield stained. And last but not least, it also defects the bugs from sticking to your windshield. So that way when you do go on a long trip, the cleanup of the bugs is going to be super easy. So it's not just good for rain. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have anything else that you want me to demonstrate for you guys, please drop it on the comments below and I'll make sure to do so. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.